Hi students, now we will discuss one of the Python program to find the biggest between two numbers using simple if. Very first line of this program is non-executable statement which won't execute in the runtime. It starts with the hash symbols. It is called single line command. Next line, I am going to read a value from the keyboard. Innermost function input function is used to display the message. Enter the a value. Then it will move the cursor to next line. Why? Because here backslash n automatically control will move to next line. It is waiting for the input. My input I am giving a value is 100 and 100 will treat it as a string. So you have to convert it to number. So outermost function int function is used to convert the string to integer, then assign to a. Next line, I am going to read a b value from the keyboard. Innermost function is used to display the message. Enter the b value. Then cursor will move to the next line. Why? Because here I am using backslash n. That after reading the value, the b value I am giving 80. 80 will treated as a string, then it will assign to integer function int function. Int function is used to convert the string to integer, then it will assign to b. Next line is a if statement. It is a condition statement. The condition may be a relational expression or logical expression, arithmetic expression, or assignment expression, or bitwise expression, or you may give the constant or boolean expression. So the if statement is end with a colon, and then if the given condition is true according to my input, a value is 100 greater than 80. The condition is true, it will print a is big. After printing, control goes to next if statement. Here I am checking one more if, that is a value 100 less than 80, condition is false, so it won't execute. Then it will go to the immediate next statement, that is another if statement. Now a value is 100, b value equal to b value is 80. Both are not equal, so condition is false. So program will terminate. According to my input, a value is big. Okay, fine. Now we will see run the program. A value I am giving 100, b value 80. It will display a is big. Okay, second option, a value I am giving 100, b value 800. Now according to this input, b is big. Now third possibility is a value I am giving 100, b value also 100. So both a and b are equal. Okay, thank you. Kindly subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you.